Hello everyone, this is Mundan Raghavan, and today we are going to start a new series on applied ChatGPT, which is the revolutionary tool for the QA testers. However, in general, ChatGPT can be used for many reasons, but this series is going to be focusing on how to use the ChatGPT for the tester's perspective. Before start, what is ChatGPT? A ChatGPT is an AI language model that is designed to generate the human-like responses to the text-based inputs. In very simple words, you will be asking the questions whatever the doubts you have. It will be giving the answer based on the knowledge it was trained. And ChatGPT has the large amount of training, so that means that you will be getting more time a perfect or accurate answers. In tester perspective, what are the benefits we can get? Obviously, you will be having the efficiency boost. That means that you will be having more work done in less time. And less time in the sense you will be having more cost saving. Most of the time it generates the test data very accurate way so that you will be having improved accuracy. And since it has the large domain knowledge also, you will be covering a lot of the functional test cases as well. Even though the benefits are countless, we are going to see all those things in this series. Integration of ChatGPT with the testing tools. I am pretty sure that you will be working any one of the tools in the automation such as Selenium, Appium, Cypress, Playwright, and whatnot. All of the tools can be integrated with the ChatGPT with the API version. Along with this, even you can create the functional test cases or domain related scenarios you can create by using the ChatGPT. And what are the best practices we can use when you go for the ChatGPT in testing? Basically, if you use in mobile, you might be asking random questions or based on your personal interest. But in case of ChatGPT, even you might be required to use the API version of ChatGPT. To get the efficient output, you need to give the correct question to the ChatGPT. Basically, it comes under the prompt engineering. However, in simple words, you can make your text inputs very short and specific to the requirement. And after getting the outputs, even you need to do some review process because it has the knowledge, but it's our responsibility still. We need to make sure that the output is correct. And third point would be like, if you have some specific reasons or the more secure data in your organization or in your database, you need to have the customized version or organization specific information. You need to take it out and you need to train very in a customized way. Basically, you need to customize the ChatGPT for your own version. So you might have seen already so much benefits in the ChatGPT. Even you can just go through the ChatGPT windows or ChatGPT blogs that you can understand more on the ChatGPT. However, from today we are going to start how to use the ChatGPT for the testing perspective. Then what are the actions you need to do from your side? Very basically, if you don't have the ChatGPT account or OpenAI account, create today itself and install the mobile app if possible, because even if you travel or if you are busy, you can ask the questions and you can sync with your browser version later. And even further step for the future perspective, you can install the Python or Java based on your interest for relative, let's say the IDEs also. For example, it can be the PyCharm or VS Code or Eclipse in case of Java or Jupyter in case of Python. So keep these steps ready so that in coming sessions we will understand how to use the ChatGPT in the different use cases. For example, go to the ChatGPT version or let's say OpenAI. Just type openai.com and here you will be having the sign up option. You can sign up with your Google account or you can create your own mail account. Then you can start using the OpenAI. How it looks like. If you just open another tab and type chat.openai.com, you can have a chat window where you can have the prompt to ask the question and it will give the answer. And obviously, if you are using the mobile phone, you can go to the Apple Store and you can find ChatGPT. Basically, there will be a lot of symbols on the ChatGPT. Make sure it is from the OpenAI. For example, here you can see it is from the OpenAI official app. The same goes to the Android app. Even you go to the Android app Play Store and look for the ChatGPT. There will be a lot of ChatGPTs, but mainly you need to focus on the ChatGPT from the OpenAI. So after you install, again you look for the other steps that we discussed. So with this we will conclude this video. In next video onwards we will go on use cases basis. For a specific use case, how can we use the ChatGPT? And this is all about this video. And always be a rainbow in others cloud.